welcome back everyone. This is Pi Pro Tech. So today in this video, what are we gonna do? We are going to show you the assignment 5 answers. So I'm gonna put a disclaimer right in the front of the video, or I'm just gonna say it right now. These are my answers corresponding to my own opinions. So if you're expecting that you will get full marks, you might get full marks depending upon my answers, my opinions. So I have take the answer which I feel most comfortable with. So let's just get ahead into the video. So for question number 1, I put D. For question number 2, I put C. For question number 3, it's A. 4, D. 5, A. 6, the second one, and 7, C. 8, D. And 9, D. And 10, D. Oh, sorry, it's 10, B. Sorry for the misinterpretation. So these are the answers, and I'm really grateful for the support you have given me throughout my YouTube journey, which is probably a couple of months. So I've got 85 subscribers. I'm really happy for those people who subscribed me and showing some love. And let's put that 85 to 90 or 100, and let's hit the milestone together and make this journey a memorable one. So the next video I will upload is probably for the programming and the assignment 6 for English, which will be in the next videos. Don't know when, but it will surely come next week. So till then, stay safe in the COVID-19 situation. Be happy and adios.